Eating off base is one of the perks of living in South Korea, with chicken on a stick being a late night favorite. In April, Korean officials detected cases of avian flu at chicken farms across the peninsula, warning the public to avoid poultry products at off base establishments. That means chicken meat or eggs.
That's where we worry as a public health officer because we can't control the quality of what's happening out here, especially with the street vendors, but also in the local restaurants and things like that. We just don't have any quality control over how they prepare their product. And we know that their poultry products come from the local area, which is potentially where they're having the outbreak right now.
While the public should use caution with chicken at off-base eating establishments, dining on base is not as risky.
On base, the Public Health Office inspects almost all of the food facilities on base, except for a couple of Korean national establishments that we do not inspect. So we have good quality control over a lot of the food that's on base.
Whether it's poultry or any other meat products, the best way to avoid getting sick is to ensure your food is cooked thoroughly, especially when it's not hot off the grill, even in certain soups.
Well, one of the misconceptions is that it affects birds and it can't affect humans, when in fact, in certain cases around the world, in people who work, especially those poultry workers who work closely with chickens, it does cross over to humans. And the problem, what everybody worries about, is that if it does cross over to humans, it has about a 50% mortality rate. So about half the people who get the bird flu actually die from it.
So far, the recent outbreak has not affected humans. And as long as you use caution when you're getting food off base, you won't have anything to worry about when it comes to avian flu. Air Force Sergeant Rachel Herman, Songtan City, Korea.